Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove password on Windows 10. So guys, follow these steps carefully. You have to click on Windows icon, then click on the setting icon. In the Windows setting, click on account. Your info window is open and below your is account name. Click on the sign in with a local account instead. In the confirmation window pop-up, click on the next button. This will switch your account to a local Windows security pop-up will appear. Type your existing window password and click the OK button. Enter your local username. Leave the new password, confirm password and password hint. Text field, you have to fill all these empty boxes. Click on the next button. You will notice that the local account is appearing under your new username. Click on the sign out and finish button. After completing these steps, the password will be removed from Windows 10. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.